tonight what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do I guess like an updated curly girl routine, but I'm gonna be using these products. I believe the company is called OUIDAD. Okay, so I know I'm not the only one that uses products and never pronounces them, and this was the first time I ever tried to pronounce it. And OUIDAD, but I think it's OUIDAD. Listen, all I know is that they're fire. Okay, continue. And the thing about these products is that I have used their cleansing oil shampoo, and I've used their meltdown repair mask. The meltdown repair mask was really good. Like literally, when it says meltdown, it takes the frizz and like it feels like it melts off. And their cleansing oil shampoo, it's like, you ever wash your hair with shampoo and then when you put conditioner on it, you feel like your hair is stripped, like before you put the conditioner on it. It's literally like oily and it leaves your hair really moisturized, almost to the point where you don't feel like you need to put conditioner on it. But if you want to, you can. But I've never used any of their styling products, and so I've heard really good things about this Advanced Climate Control Featherlight Styling Cream, so I got this. And then also I got their Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner. I like anything that says moisture on it, like the DevaCurl Melt Into Moisture. I love that. Anything that has the word moisture in it, because that's literally what my hair needs. So I'm going to be using these two things to style. For my wash and go, I wanted to show you guys. I use this towel. It's like the DevaCurl towel, the microfiber towel. And it's better than a regular towel because it doesn't leave your hair so frizzy and like that kind of dry dullness. It just takes the water out, it doesn't take any moisture out, and it doesn't like leave any frizz. So I actually use this to dry my hair off. Shampoo, I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Monoi collection. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I have raved about it. I love it. It's currently what I have in my like collection of shampoos because I don't like to keep millions of shampoos and conditioners laying around because stuff expires. So it really doesn't make any sense to have like 50,000 shampoos and conditioner. By the time you get through that, they're not going to be good anymore. And so instead of buying the shampoo and conditioner that probably were the same company as this, I have Carol's Daughter right now. So that's what I'm going to use. So I have conditioner on my hair right now. I'm going to go ahead and detangle it now because I want to do the rake and shake method, which is what OUIDAD recommends that you do when you use the product. And my hair is pretty tangled, so I'm going to go ahead and detangle it. I'm going to use my Denman brush. I wouldn't recommend using the Denman brush if you have like deep tangles because it might snag. So usually what I do is I just go through my hair like so with my fingers, trying to work through, you know, any really tangled areas. I'm going to take my Denman brush and then I'm going to go through. So I sped this part up because I'm just combing my hair out. The thing to remember is just to split your hair into sections and comb really gently, and that's it. So now I'm ready to wash it out and I'll be right back. So I rinsed it off. I rinsed my conditioner out in cold water. And the reason why I do that is so the conditioner will rinse out. The product will, you know, come out of your hair. But the moisture will still be there. So I'm going to start with the leave-in moisturizer. I don't know if you can. So I'm gonna apply it. Oops, shit. Yo. This says to not put the product on your scalp so that your pores can breathe. That's one thing I love about this company. They want products that don't have a lot of residue on it. Don't cause frizz, aren't super heavy, don't weigh your hair down. Like, they pay attention to all of that stuff. It's a really good company. Okay, sorry, I had some excess, so I went ahead and parted it. I basically had to mute the rest of the video because my son and my fiance were not able to be quiet. So I'm going to use the Featherlight cream that I just showed you. It does recommend that you use the rake and shake method, and that is what I'm going to use. So I parted my hair again, and you can just see all the moisture from the leave-in that I put in. It looks amazing. My hair is never looking like this. So I'm going to take the cream and apply it, and then I'm going to show you how I do the rake and shake method. So you just rub it through your hair, you grab a very small section and you run your fingers through it like a rake, and you literally shake. Of course, I'm laughing because I'm immature. And then after you rake and shake, I did a light scrunch. Since my hair is getting super long and I'm starting to lose a lot of volume, so I have to scrunch to keep my hair from laying kind of flat. So you're just going to continue with the sections, putting the dime size amount of Featherlight styling cream. It's also an advanced climate control. It's a part of that collection that helps a lot with frizz, especially in the heat and also in the cold. A lot of the elements can affect your hair, and so it definitely helps with that. And you're just going to continue to do the rake and shake throughout your hair. This is a really good time to point out my heat damage. I'm still recovering from a lot of heat damage, and you can see in this part how it's very, very thick near my scalp, and it's starting to curl. But then as you get down to the bottom, you can see that it's thin, it's not as curly, and then I have a light wave at the bottom of my hair. And I still have a lot of that heat damage, especially towards the front, that I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to cut it all the way off or if I'm going to gradually cut and then grow it out. I'm not sure, but it's still there. You can see it, as you can see, I'm pointing it out, where it tapers off into the heat damage. I also had been bleaching my hair for a couple of years, not myself, but by a professional, which I think saved my hair a lot, but it's still bleach, and so I'm definitely growing some of that out now. You can attach that there and use that. I'm gonna diffuse on low heat and low air. If you do high air, it's gonna blow your curls and they're not gonna have time to like form. If you do high heat, then your hair is gonna be really, really dry at the top and then really, really wet in the inside. So in order to get the inside dry, you're gonna over dry all of this hair. So low heat, low air. I know that it's gonna take a longer amount of time, but honestly, straightening and curling your hair with a straightener and curling iron takes a lot longer than this.